we want to show our cleavage, we want to show our ass, we want to show our belly, we will show it. Because you know why? We've worked on it, okay? We've worked on making our body the way it is. So we will show it, and we are very confident in being so this way. So if you have a problem with it, deal with it yourself.
It's high time to make social media a positive place to stay in rather than making it a negative space.
You are listening to Tidbits. And what is this tidbit about? Sexy pictures. So, have you ever come across a super sexy picture of someone or a partner that they've posted on social media? What are your first thoughts? Are you more into them, or are you like, oh, this is too much? Or become protective, or do you decide to make a judgment on them? Well, to get started, what does a sexy picture even mean?
Hey, my name is Advaita and I'm from Kolkata. I consider a picture sexy when I feel I'm looking very confident, and when, just my picture, just my expression speaks volumes. That's when I feel a picture is a sexy picture. I have felt sexy. I have felt very, comfortable and confident. Like, seeing that picture just makes me feel so proud of myself. So I just I posted it.
Hi, my name is Drishti and I'm from Mumbai. I think everyone's preference is different. For me, at least, if I wear something revealing where I need to actually handle myself and my outfit, I'm very clumsy. So, for instance, if I want to go, clubbing, I'll choose something where, I'm comfortable. I don't need to handle my outfit or just rush to the washroom because, I'm scared of something actually showing or. So, I choose something where I feel myself. I'm more comfortable. I can actually enjoy with my friends and have good time. And yes, if I want to go all glam and, look more sexy and everything, I wear bodycon dress. I think that is also sexy. And because I work out, I like wearing more body hugging stuff. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Krisha Mehta. I'm from Mumbai. For me personally, I feel the way somebody grooms themselves, the way they carry off what they're wearing, the amount of confidence that they have in what they're wearing is really important. And while taking a sexy picture, I feel facial expressions play a really important role. Your eyes, your lips, you smiling or not smiling, the setting of the picture, the background that you're taking the picture in, the lighting of the picture, the angle from which the picture is taken. All of it, I feel, plays a really important role to set a particular mood or tone for a picture.
Revealing pictures, quote unquote, are a big deal? Do people consider it as sexy?
Coincidentally, if some picture happens to look really sexy, why wouldn't somebody want to post it on social media? Again, it doesn't really mean that a sexy picture has to be a revealing picture. But yeah, the way you've posed in the picture, the way you're looking into the camera, if that look is really sexy, then why not? I would definitely post a sexy picture on social media. No, not at all. I don't really think that all revealing pictures are sexy. Of course, there are many which are revealing and they do look really, really hot. But there are also a few pictures that look rather flashy or tacky, if I may say so. But again, I think everybody's definition of sexy varies. For me personally, a picture may not look sexy, but it may be for the person who's posted it. So that's completely all right. But again, I feel that in the world that we're living in, the generation that this is, if a picture is not revealing, they don't really consider it sexy. They might call it pretty, cute, gorgeous, or, such adjectives. But I don't think the word really sexy comes out from anyone's mouth if it isn't revealing.
I think when we hear the word sexy, the first thing that pops up in our mind is, going full glam or wearing some, revealing clothes or looking like model-like person, thin and curvy or having hourglass figure. But I think for me, sexy is being confident, and I feel more confident when I'm being myself. I love dressing up. So yeah, that is when I feel more confident, and I like very, very minimal makeup. But I just like enhancing my features, and yeah, that is sexy for me when I feel myself.
No, I do not think just because you're showing your cleavage or just because, a man is showing their body, it's sexy. It's just how they are. It's just their kind of fashion. And I don't think revealing yourself is in any way termed to be said sexy.
Do people stop their partners from posting something that's just too much for the public eye to see? Or is it more like, I'd rather change the guy and change my dress if he asks me to?
I do feel turned on, but I've never stopped him from posting a picture which he feels is sexy and I feel is, no, he's revealing. I mean, no, it's his body, it's his judgment. If he feels really happy to post that picture, and if that is what makes him confident and motivated to work out more and to make himself more healthy, then why not?
Of course, I get turned on, and I don't feel protective as such because half of the time I'm only shaking the pictures. But yeah, I don't feel protective because other people just get to see his pictures, and I get to see the real him, and he's actually there with me present. So yeah, I don't feel protective. But yeah, if my man is looking sexy, then obviously I'm proud of him and he's my man.
Why wouldn't somebody get turned on looking at a sexy picture of their partner? It's like an instinctual thing that will happen, and it would be kind of not normal if you're not getting turned on looking at a sexy picture of your partner, then something's definitely wrong. But protective, not that much. Like, I don't think there is anything to be that protective about. If my partner is feeling really confident in the picture that he has taken and he wants to put it out on social media, show it to the world, show it to his friends, then why not? I think I would rather be really proud that he is my guy and he does look pretty sexy. So yeah, why not?
So is this always about praise and validation? What about the nasty comments that some people receive?
There was this one picture and one of my friends thought it's pretty revealing. So yeah, she kind of personally texted me. She did not comment it publicly. And she's like, bro, this picture is way too revealing. Don't you think your boyfriend will have a problem? So I don't understand, just because a picture is showing a lot of things about you, does that in any way make it, very revealing? Yes, I would want to say it is our body. It is our decision. We want to show our cleavage. We want to show our ass. We want to show our belly. We will show it. Because you know why? We've worked on it, okay? We've worked on making our body the way it is. So we will show it, and we are very confident in being so this way. So if you have a problem with it, deal with it yourself.
Of course, I get so many nasty comments. And these people are like such cowards because they never actually comment on my pictures, but they comment on my stories, or like DM me. They actually DM me my picture and then write a comment there, like privately, And yeah, they have their own set of, opinions for me about how I should look and what I should do in my life. But I'm the last person who will care about it because I think such people are really insecure about themselves and they have no better job to do than to talk shit about others. I just want to say that I know how it feels to be body shamed, and I've been on both sides, the chubby side and the skinny side. And I was the victim both the times. And all this time I was so like, actually I used to take these comments so seriously. But then I was like, what? They won't be happy either ways. You should be really confident in your own skin, and please learn to love yourself just the way you are. Even I learned to love my body, and I have so much gratitude for that. And just always remember that a real person is not defined by their body, but they're really defined by their individuality and their unique traits. So, really flaunt what your mama gave you because she didn't have to give you hourglass figures.
I feel that people will judge you no matter what. If it's not to your face, then behind your back for sure, they will pass nasty comments. And there is very little that you can do about it. So why even waste time thinking and pondering over the reasons why they feel your picture is not good enough? Because as I said earlier, that everybody's definition of sexy is different. If they don't find a particular picture sexy or fine, that doesn't mean I don't find it. And I go with my instincts. If I feel that the picture is particularly good, then I will just go ahead with it. And touch wood, I've always been surrounded with friends who have appreciated me and not really put me down. To all those people who body shame or rebuke girls or even guys on social media based on the pictures that they post, it's high time it needs to stop, because you genuinely are not aware of what is going on in their lives. They might have health issues that you're completely unaware of, which is making it really difficult for them to lose or gain weight. So you judging them based on the pictures that they have posted on social media, which they've been so confident about and so happy about posting and sharing with you, and then what you do is body shame and post nasty comments or comments that just degrade them or put their self-esteem, self-morale so low that they feel really horrible about themselves. And everybody knows that social media is such an influential platform these days that whatever anybody posts on social media, the comments that follow play a very big role in impacting the person who has posted the picture. So it's high time to make social media a positive place to stay in rather than making it a negative space. So body shaming and rebuking or any sort of nasty comments, judging, all of it really, really needs to stop.
It's time I find another hot topic to make you uncomfortable with. Catch the Tidbits podcast on Hotfly every Wednesday.
This podcast is a Folk Media production.